Christopher.
Oh, you see me?
He's in his
Head
outdoor
back.
camping gear.
Alright, I'm actually on Dock, Wyoming.
It's Dock, Wyoming.
See, I'm going to be making, this is my new Ultralight wood burning stove, and I acquired this. This is actually, according to Ikea, they don't realize this is an ultralight wood burning stove. To them, they think this is a utensil drain for knives and forks. They don't realize, but they could be selling. They sell this for like $5.99, but they could be selling like for $20 as a ultralight stove. So what I'm gonna do, and then as I was walking after I purchased this, I saw this kit. It is a toy. This is actually a children's toy. The Duck Tig cooking set. It's actually just a children's toy. But look, tell me that doesn't look like it's designed for that. And this is the wok. Look at that. Then there's the spaghetti, the pot, and then finally, I like that it has the lid too. And then there's even a drain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get a fire going. And I noticed that everyone else that makes these, what they do is they cut out a piece around here and they use that for reloading. I decided not to do that at first, just to see how it works without that. And my plan is, what I would do is get a fire going, and if it needs more, just throw more in the top and see how that works. If it doesn't, I'll try cutting a piece. This is probably the single most important event in history. These are actually very useful. What you really want to do is set it from the bottom. That will work. It smokes up a lot at the beginning. And then what you want to do eventually is be able to cook on it. Okay, so let that go for a little while. You can turn it off. I'm going to put some water in here and see if this boils. Let's try this. Okay, you can turn it on. A little bit of danger here. I'm going to try and see if I can boil a little, but I don't know, a pint or so of water. It should only take a few minutes. And in the meantime, this is my jet boil that my girlfriend got me. This is really useful. I don't want to get this too close. Wow. This is the jet boil system. So I'm going to have these two different things competing with each other. As you can see, the jet boil should prove to be a safer system for cooking. What I like about it is that I could use this on this one too. So either one. I'm gonna have to bring with me some gloves or something. Well, this is working well. Actually, waving your hand right by it works great, and it's basically at a roiling boil right now. So I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta. Okay, I got my pasta in there. And that is was at a roiling boil before I put the pasta in. Okay. So just to price everything out again, this stove was $5.99. The box that came with all these cooking utensils was $9.99, and again, I think it's intended as a child's toy. And of course, if you're gonna, yeah, the water's boiling up again. Aha. I probably should get it off of there. Nah, it'll be alright. But it's really boiling. Let me give it a stir. Again, they came with this pan, a wok, a drain, and this pot. And of course, if you really wanted to go ultralight, you probably would just, I would say you would just take the wok, as it's the most multi-purposeful. You can do anything with it, cook, water, or probably even holds more water. And so I would just take that, and but since I'm not just out here, I thought I'd try them all. And this is fantastic. It's been boiling now for several minutes. It's definitely going to cook that pasta. It's probably almost done. Well, the spaghetti, or I should say the ziti, is done. And using this other pot here to stir it. I let the fire sort of die down, although I think it's still capable of generating some good heat. And it'd be a very simple matter to throw a few more pieces in there. I think this is a success. By the way, this is the serving size that it made.